Welcome back sa Next On The Go. For today's vlog, samahan nyo kami sa isang exciting trip papuntang Dead Sea. From the historic Jordan River, all the way to the lowest point on Earth, we'll explore breathtaking views, unique experiences, and the amazing feeling of floating effortlessly sa tubig. Tara na, let's go on this adventure together. Ang biyahe from Jordan River to the Dead Sea ay almost 30 minutes. Quick facts about the Dead Sea. Ang Dead Sea ay isang natural wonder na matatagpuan sa Jordan. Kilala bilang lowest point on Earth. At sobrang alat ng tubig, kaya kahit hindi ka marunong lumangoy, automatic kang magfo-float. Isa itong a must visit dahil bukod sa unique na karanasan, may health benefits din ang mineral-rich mud at waters nito at napapalibutan ng stunning desert landscapes. So guys, dumating na kami sa Dead Sea Spa Resort Hotel. Dito kami magsistay for the night. This place is a 4-star resort hotel at ang dami niyang magagandang reviews online. Located mismo siya sa Dead Sea. After checking in, ikot-ikot muna tayo sa kanilang facilities. Meron silang 3 pools with slides. Perfect for families and kids. Pero syempre, fun din for the adults. At kung gusto mo ng relaxation, they also have a spa facility na sikat dahil sa mineral-rich treatments inspired by the Dead Sea itself. Kaya perfect spot to relax and to enjoy. Ang ganda ng vibe dito. Very relaxing with a mix of fun and wellness. Imagine a day after of exploring the Dead Sea. You can just chill by the pool or treat yourself sa spa. Definitely worth the stay. And it's time to test the waters of the Dead Sea. At totoo nga, kahit hindi ka marunong lumangoy, you'll float effortlessly. One-of-a-kind experience ito at siguradong hindi mo makalimutan sa buong buhay mo. Truly, one for the books. Of course, hindi pwedeng palampasin ang paglalagay ng mineral-rich mud pack sa katawan na nakakatulong sa skincare at wellness. Habang ako'y nakaupo sa bato dito sa Dead Sea, napapaisip ako kung gaano ako ka-grateful na makarating sa lugar na ito. To experience this historic Dead Sea mismo. Isang destinasyon na matagal ko lang nababasa at naririnig. Pero ngayon, nandito na ako. This moment reminds me na bawat journey is not just about the places we visit, but also about appreciating life, history, and nature's wonders. Truly, the Dead Sea is one of a kind, a timeless treasure na hindi mo dapat palampasin. After ng masarap na dinner, we tried their locally made wine. At syempre, ang sarap ng experience. Pero higit pa sa pagkain at inumin, mas masarap din makipagkwentuhan sa mga kababayan natin na nagtatrabaho dito sa Dead Sea Spa and Resort. Nakakatuwa, kahit nasa ibang bansa tayo, ramdam mo pa rin ang warmth ng Filipino hospitality. Their stories, their smiles, they make the place even more like home. Kaya hindi lang nature at relaxation ang makukuha mo dito, kundi genuine connections as well. Akala namin tapos na ang gabi, pero meron pa palang outdoor program ang hotel. At guess what? May belly dancing show. Wow, what an experience! Ang ganda ng performance, full of energy, colors, and music. Hindi lang relaxation ang makukuha mo dito sa Dead Sea Spa Resort, kundi entertainment din na talagang memorable. This is the perfect way to end the night with culture, fun, and unforgettable vibes. This journey remind me na bawat trip is not just about the places we visit, but also about the lessons we carry home. At the end of the day, it's about gratitude for the chance to travel, to discover, and share these moments with all of you. This is Next on the Go. Thanks for joining. Stay safe and make every trip unforgettable.